In this video, we will discuss how to apply for citizenship if you have ILR or settled status. First, we will discuss the eligibility and fees. Then we will discuss when to apply, and after that we will discuss how much it will cost. So without wasting time, let's start. As per guidance, you can apply for citizenship if you have lived in the UK for 5 years and have had one of the following for 12 months. Number 1, indefinite leave to remain in the UK. Number 2, settled status, also known as ILR under the EU settlement scheme. Number 3, indefinite leave to enter the UK. Permission to move to the UK permanently from abroad. So if you have one of the following for 12 months, then you can apply. The guidance also says you do not need to wait 12 months to apply if you are married to a British citizen. Guidance also says you must also be over 18. You must prove you were in the UK exactly 5 years before the day the Home Office receives your application. Prove your knowledge of English, have passed the Life in the UK test, intend to continue living in the UK, and also be a good character. Now let's discuss time you have spent outside the UK. You should not have spent more than 450 days outside the UK during the 5 years before your application. You should not have spent more than 90 days outside the UK in the last 12 months. You should not have broken any UK immigration laws. For example, living illegally in the UK. You may have lost your ILR if you have been away from the UK for more than 4 years if you are a Swiss citizen or the family member of a Swiss citizen and you have settled status. Now let's discuss when to apply. You must have been physically present in the UK exactly 5 years before the Home Office receives your application. Your application may be rejected if you were not in the UK exactly 5 years before the Home Office received it. This depends on the reason why you were not in the UK. The Home Office will consider if there are special circumstances. For example, you were not able to live in the UK at the start of the 5-year period because of health reasons or travel restrictions. Or you were told to leave the UK during the 5 years, but this decision was later overturned. Now let's discuss this from the example provided by the Home Office. If the Home Office receives your application on 20th June 2022, but you left the UK on 10th June 2017 and returned to the UK on 25th June 2017, you will not qualify. You will need to wait until 24th June 2022 to apply. The date the Home Office receives your application depends on how you will apply. If you apply online, your application will be received on the same day. It will take longer if you apply by post. Now let's discuss how much it costs. This will cost you £1,735 to apply. This includes the £130 for citizenship ceremony fee. If you wanted to know how citizen ceremony looks like, so just go on Google and write UK citizenship ceremony and click on images. You will be able to see all these images. So this is how the citizenship ceremony like we get and in the UK, and it's in your council. So for example, if you whichever council you are staying in, there is a local town hall, and in that town hall you get the citizenship ceremony done, and this is how you get the citizenship certificate. We call that naturalization certificate. You will also need to have your biometric information, for example fingerprints and photos taken. There is no fee for this. You'll be told how to do this after you have applied. Here are two ways to apply. Number one, you can make application yourself, or you can use agent or representative. If you make application yourself, you need to make sure you check this guidance before you apply. So if you click this fill in the online form, you will come to this page where it says your location. Are you in the UK? Yes. Then this takes you to that page, apply for British citizenship. by naturalization. And you have to read all these things. Like I said, you need life in UK test certificate, you need 2 referees as well, and you also need English language proof as well. So then you come to this page, click apply now. After that, you get to this page where it says register an email. So you put your email address, you enter the details. Once you have registered, then you will fill the application. It's a basic application. Just provide all your details. Then you provide your documents which we just discussed, and then you will do the declaration, pay, and that's it. So this is how you submit your application for the British citizenship by naturalization.